Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Pharmalytics, the channel dedicated to all things pharma. One thing that can really throw a wrench in the works is human error, but here's the thing. I don't like calling it human error. It's a consequence, not the root cause. Why did that mistake happen? How can we prevent it from happening again? Today, we're diving deep into reducing human-related slip-ups in the pharmaceutical industry. Stick with Pharmalytics to discover essential ways to reduce human error in the pharmaceutical industry. First up, let's talk about training. Not just any training, but robust, comprehensive programs that leave no room for doubt. Your team needs to be well-versed in good manufacturing practices, GMP, standard operating procedures, SOPs, and regulatory requirements. Continuous training, refresher courses, hands-on simulations, the works. Make it engaging, make it stick, and ensure everyone understands the why behind each step. Remember, a well-trained workforce is a safe and efficient workforce. Next up, we're tackling procedures and documentation. Clear, standardized SOPs are like a recipe for success. They minimize confusion and ensure everyone's on the same page. Instructions need to be concise, easy to understand, and accessible to everyone involved. Don't forget about documentation. Meticulous record-keeping is crucial for traceability, audits, and identifying areas for improvement. We live in a digital age, and the pharmaceutical industry must embrace it. By reducing manual operations, we minimize human error. Think electronic batch records, automated dispensing systems, digital quality control. These are game changers. We're all human, and even experienced professionals can make mistakes. That's why double-check systems are non-negotiable for tasks like labeling, formulation, and packaging. A second pair of eyes can catch errors that might slip through the cracks. Think peer reviews, electronic verification tools, anything adding an extra layer of scrutiny. Ever heard of the 5S methodology? It stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. A cluttered environment leads to distractions, inefficiencies, and mistakes. By implementing 5S, you're creating a clean, structured, and visually appealing workspace that promotes focus and accuracy. Communication is key in any industry, but it's critical in pharmaceuticals. Poor communication leads to misunderstandings, delays, and errors. Implement feedback loops, clear reporting structures, and ensure everyone knows who to contact if they encounter an issue. Remember, a team that communicates effectively operates safely and efficiently. This one's about changing the mindset. We need to move away from a culture of get it done fast and embrace a quality-first approach. Recognize and reward employees who consistently demonstrate a commitment to quality. Make it clear that cutting corners is unacceptable and patient safety is the top priority. Mistakes happen, that's a fact of life, but what separates the best from the rest is how they respond to those mistakes. Implement systems to track errors, identify trends, and uncover causes. This allows you to implement targeted corrective and preventive actions, or CAPAs, to prevent similar errors from happening again. Let's be real. The pharmaceutical industry can be demanding. Long hours, tight deadlines, and high-pressure situations are part of the job. We need to prioritize employee well-being by implementing rest breaks, promoting ergonomic work environments, and ensuring reasonable shift scheduling. The future is here, powered by technology. AI systems monitor processes in real time, detect anomalies, and alert before issues escalate. Embracing these technologies adds protection, ensuring the highest levels of quality and safety. So there you have it, folks. 10 essential ways to reduce human error in the pharmaceutical industry. By implementing structured training, leveraging technology, and improving workplace organization, pharmaceutical companies can create a safer and more reliable environment for everyone. Stay tuned to get more informative videos. Please subscribe to Pharmalytics.